Hi, good morning. Welcome back. Welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, I'm Maya. You are watching Maya Luna Corazon. Today I have two things, or maybe more, to tell you. But for now, I just have these two news that I want to tell you. First of all, before we go into what I'm going to tell you, because I think you already see on the thumbnail what today's video is all about. But before that, I want to let you know this pattern, this beautiful ocean shawl. You see it last month that I was creating it, and we have testers, and we were like, this is a commission collaboration and I cannot put on sale on my shop. I cannot give it to gold membership. I cannot do anything with this pattern right now. But now lovecraft.com already let me publish on their website, meaning that they are offer you for free to download this pattern. And if you want to use the same yarn, you can directly have a look the yarn. If you want the same color, you can also order the same yarn and download the free pattern. But if you don't want to use their yarn, they also offer the free download pattern, which I think is so generous of them to let everyone download the pattern. I'll put the link under this video in case you want to make it, because I use this all the time, even though now is getting, cannot say getting warmer, just only when the sun strongly during the day, and when I go out or when I'm sitting here and the sun directly come to my room. But still in Germany this time is still a little bit cold because of wind, like the wind still come. I would love to go out today and do some photo shoot just nearby by the river close to where we live. We will see, because you already see I have a new pattern coming out, new pattern, new design, which I'm going to talk about it in a minute. But I'm just going to show you how you can wear this shawl if you decided to make it. So there's many ways to wear it. I like to wear it this way, and you can also, oops, you can also wear it this way, just like that. Pretty warm. I really love this yarn. So nice on the skin. This yarn is the mixture of merino wool, alpaca and silk. And look at the color. And the stitch also. Look at the stitch. So yeah, it would be nice if you are making this chart and tag me on Instagram, and also tag Lovecraft, because they actually offer you guys this. I'm designing for them. They pay me to design, and they give you guys for free for 3 months only, and after that it will be for sale. So now you got an opportunity to have it for free for now, and I think it's a perfect time, because now many of you are quarantine, like all of us in the quarantine time. Some of you still have to go to work, but most of us are at home. So I think it's time to, you know, stay in and just crochet together, crochet along, and this project is just perfect for that. And beside that, like I was mentioned before, I am looking for testers, because I have a new pattern, new design. I'll post a picture here, because if I show you, oh, you want to see? Okay. So this is the skirt. I will also gonna insert the picture first. The skirt, this is how it look on me, and this is how it is. I block it. Oh, have the line because I folded last night, but it's very easy to just take the line out. I hope. I'm just gonna block it again. Not block, I'm just steam. I just steam. I don't know, I didn't call it block now because it's like a steam block, but I think the steam is also take away the line, so I just gonna steam a little bit. And look how It's so nice. It's more stiff when I finish it, and when I steam it, it becomes softer. This is the detail. It's like same with Nadu, you see? So it's a matching. And in the front, I have a crisscrossing. This is like a low, this length around the belly button area length. So yeah, wear it like this. But again, in the pattern, I teach everybody how to measure your body. If you want to make it as a high waist, you can definitely do that. And if you want to make it low, you can definitely do that as well. So I was thinking, because this one I designed it to be low, like in this area. And the next one I'm going to make pants, also Nadu. This is Nadu crop top, this is Nadu skirt. And the next one I'm going to make high waist, like maybe until a little bit high like this. I don't know yet. I'm just gonna make the high-waisted pants with bare bottom in a capri length. But for now, we're just gonna concentrate on this one for now. Oh, you see the line? I fold it, but the line will go away if I just put the steam a little bit on it. So yeah, if you want to test this pattern for me and be part of the testing team, you can join us on Facebook group Crochet Tribe Maya Luna Corazon, and you can apply to test there. Although you will need to have a skill of, like, you need to know how to do a basic math and know how to use a tape measurement, because when you're part of the testing team, it's like learning all the process, the curve of designing, and learning how to create or crochet a perfect fit garment to your body, and learn how to use the tape measurement. And I think this is also an opportunity for those who want to learn how to become a crochet designer, because there is no any other way to learn than just be part of the team and learn from the one that you admire. I hope I'm the one that you admire. I mean, just learn from the designer that you like their design. So this way you learn how she does, how she come up with the calculation. This is the way that you can learn from real playground. So I put the link also to the group if you want to join us. We also have another group called Crochet Conscious, Growing Together. And if you are a crochet designer already, or you are a maker and you would like to share the work of crochet, only crochet related, on my two groups. So if you want to share your own work, your own design, or even the design from someone else that you love, you can share in Crochet Conscious, Growing Together, and Crochet Tribe Maya Luna Corazon. I created for the people who want to learn from me, the people who love my design. So we have two groups, separate but still connected. So you can join both groups. I put both groups links under this video. Also, if you use Instagram and you crochet my design and you would like to be featured on my story, make sure to take beautiful, clear, high resolution photos, because I love seeing beautiful pictures from all of you making my design, and I will reshare on my story. This way I can also discover you, because many of you I just discovered a few days ago, many new accounts that I have not seen before on Instagram. So this way when you tag me, I have the notification and I can find you. All right, I don't know how's it going. I didn't jump into live stream again this week because I was very busy. We finished the month and I have lots of things to do, and especially with the designing process. Since I have Patreon, also I'm writing and doing a podcast there. Every Monday we have podcasts and we have different things going on. If you want to have a look, I will also put the link to my Patreon site. You can visit us. I also have published the video for my patrons, the behind the scene of how I creating this, how I write the pattern, what software that I use, and what struggle that I face, and what the solution that I come up with. So I think for those who want to learn from me, Patreon side is the best way, because with 10 euros a month you can learn. For me, like in each pattern, in each month you will also receive the pattern of the month, and you will get the podcast every Monday. It's like 4 podcasts a month. That is a lot. And then behind the scene video of how I create each piece to life. Like this month I'm going to talk about how I create this one, and the measurement, and why we do a certain way and not the other way around, and what software or which way I'm going to create the pattern. I don't know yet, because I'm going to write a pattern today. It's not that difficult at all, this one, I have to say. It's so much fun to do, and when you learn just the easy structure, I think everyone can make this skirt. So I wanted to share behind the scene video of how I created, how difficult and how easy it was. And what else? And also I'm writing BBS. This is like a gift. It's not something that I written down on Patreon site that I'm going to offer, but I decided to write up the worksheet to share with those who are interested to, you know, take this crochet business into your full-time job. So I'm writing the how to say it, education, and now I'm in the process of the lesson 2. The lesson 1 I already published last month on Patreon site. The BBS education is come from build your business from the soul level. So the first lesson was be the voice, not an echo. So I really like that. It's like preparing the soil, preparing yourself before you go out there and pursue your dream. And now I'm in the process of the lesson 2, how to actually create your persona, create like, you know, Instagram account, and how to make the thing that you already doing it every single day, like the thing that you love to do, your passion, but make it in the way that you would get the sponsor, you get the support, or first to just get the notice from the yarn company, the yarn that you would love to work with. And when I say the yarn company, I'm talking about the yummy, the delicious, luxurious yarn, the indie yarn company, because I like to work with a small company. I like to work with the hand dye yarn. I like to work with, you know, natural fiber yarn. So I want to share with you how I get all the beautiful yarn to work on my projects, and how you can do that too. Slowly, step by step, each month I will publish 1 lesson each month, because I want to make sure that each and every one of you who are reading my program be able to apply to your business and to your, you know, daily life, and to be able to do it, you know, not in the rush and not in the way that I have to do it now. Because the Patreon site start not for business as first, start for the community and to help you to grow into your crochet passion. So that's why I call it inspiration-based education. And the BBS, it just come through making the contents to share with you, reading the comments and listen to your questions, and for that I create this BBS. And yeah, I really do hope you will enjoy that, and I really do hope you will come and have a look our Patreon family and be part of our journey as well. If you have a question, I would love to answer your question. You can just put your question here under this video. I would like to know how's it going with you. And again, if you feel like, oh, again, Maya, you have this program, that program, I don't have money to buy anything right now, don't you worry. And for that, I come here and tell you about this one right now. You can just download it and make this chart to have a hug from the ocean when you cannot go to the ocean right now, and just make this chart to, you know, to feel the ocean waves that embarks you and hugging you, and feel each stitch that you make, feel the energy that you put into it, and also feel me to connect with me. Alright, I really do hope you enjoyed this short video, and I really want to see you joining us on our Facebook group and be part of our testing team. It's always so much fun to have new people to join us, and many people come and join the group, click request to be part of the group without answer the question. First of all, you'll be declined automatically. Why I do that, why I make it difficult? Because I really want to create a safe space for you, meaning that when you are part of this group, you can be sure that people who come to be part of the group, they are at least share the same value with you. They take a moment to introduce themselves a little bit, how they know about our group, why they want to be part. So it's just 3 simple questions to just get to know you before having you part of our tribe. And I think this is so important for our existing members already, and for yourself later on when many people come to join us. I would like to make sure that everyone share the same value with you, with us. So for that, these 3 questions are important. And after that, when you see the post for tester call, you have to read everything through and understand what do you need to be able to be part of the testing team. That is the first thing you show me that you understand my language, that you understand what I'm looking for, and you understand the standard of how to test the pattern and be part of the team. So I think it's gonna be fun because you will learn more about me, not just like, some people saw me on YouTube and it's like, have an idea of who I am, because everyone have always an idea of who you are in their own way, in their own mind, because everyone has their own, how to say it, opinion about everyone else. So when you are in the group and when you read all of this, you might like, wow, is that Maya? Like, really? Why she have so many rules? You will understand why I have so many rules, because I really want to create a perfect pattern, not a perfect pattern, but the best pattern possible for those who going to purchase the pattern, and make sure that we create this beautiful pattern together. And you learn, most of all, you will learn so much. You will learn how to really create a crochet garment that really fitting your body. Many of you ask me how much it costs to learn from you to design a crochet garment. I can tell you now, my time costs quite a lot, and for that I create a Patreon site so that this community, so that everyone can share a little bit of, contribute to my work. 10 euros a month is not much to learn all the things that I will give to you. And in the testing team, you learn it for free. You're gonna learn it for free. So for that, I really need you to share the same, how to say it, dedication and times, and to just communicate with me. That is the only way you can learn. Not only with me, you will see that we have an amazing team of amazing women who are supported each other. Every single day we come saying good morning and then good night, and the funny thing is that everyone is different part of the world, and sometimes you say good morning and for someone else like good night. That is so cute. And also everyone become friends afterward. Everyone learn from each other, and everyone just admire each other work. I love that so much, to see, someone post their work in our group, in the testing team, and everyone just gives so much support and help the other person to achieve. For example, this top, wow, we have 20 testers in the last month, like last round, and it was so much fun. Everyone just like helping when I'm not there because the time zone different. It's so beautiful to see the community of all these powerful women come together and learn and help each other. So yeah, if you want to join us, make sure you come to join us after this video. I wish you a beautiful day and beautiful springtime. I don't know if you are in Europe or you are in another part of the world. I'm sure many of you who are watching are not in European country. You are in the other side of the world, and I do hope you have a sunshine through your window, and most importantly, the sunshine in your heart. I talk to you soon. Have a beautiful day. Mwah. Bye bye.